Hey everyone, Deep here. In this video we are going to learn about that how can we compile Java code on our Android smartphone with the help of a simple application that I have downloaded already for you all to see, that is dcoder. Okay, so I was recently researching about this kind of content on Google as well, that how can we successfully compile Java codes on Android environments, that is on Android smartphones and on Android operating system. So I found this particular IDE, which has a JRE, that is the Java runtime environment, to particularly compile the codes that we write, simple codes. Okay, simple codes that we can write. As far as our usage is concerned, we can use this application for small purposes to code in Java. Okay, so now let's get started. So now what the thing that we need to do here is just open this decoder application, and after opening this decoder application we will see this kind of an interface over here. Okay, so now here we need to create a particular file. Now before creating this particular file, I would just like to share with you that this is also a paid application. Okay, if you go to this particular three dots, and you can see over here, it also allows you to get premium. Okay, so if you want to use this for free, just click on this create button and go for the first option, that is the files option, single files to work with small programs or algorithms. If you go for the project, in the pro version you can also select, and also you can get the git clone pro version as well. Okay, so that is, you can use the github as well. But now I will go with this particular option, that is create under files. So I will just click on create. Recently I created a Java code over here, so I will click on Java, and I will give the name of this file as hello world. Okay, so this is our file name. It automatically creates you a file, and I will just create I will click the create button, and you can see the extension name as well, .java. So I'll create on create button, and you can see over here that we have a sample code which says import java.util asterisk semicolon, the end of the statement, that is import java.util, means that the package java.util is being imported into our code. And then we have the class name as decoder, and also the public static void main string args with the bracket open, and system.out.println as hello.coder. So I will just change this hello.coder to maybe something hello technical deep, and yeah, that's it. So I will just run this particular code. Here we go, and you can see the terminal window is opening, and at the bottom you can see that my output has been shown over here, hello technical deep, process finished. So this is how you can run Java codes with the help of decoder application. And in the near future we will also go in depth about the Java codes in this particular channel. So this is all I had for you all in this video. Like this video, and also leave your comments about this particular video, and see you all next time in a new video. Till then, goodbye and take care.